Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to report a YouTube channel on a PC. If you've found a channel that you think is inappropriate or shouldn't be on YouTube, here's how you can report it. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now, navigate to the channel you want to report by searching for it or clicking on its name. Once you're on the channel's homepage, click on the About tab. This will take you to the channel's description and other details. In the About section, you'll see a flag icon that says Report User. Click on this flag icon. A menu will pop up with several options. You can choose to Hide User. This will hide the user from your channel, and their videos will not be recommended to you again. Report Channel Art. If the channel's banner is inappropriate, report Profile Picture if the channel's avatar is inappropriate. Report User. This will report the entire channel. Select Report User. Another menu will appear with different reasons for reporting the channel. The options include harassment and cyberbullying, privacy impersonation, violent threats, child endangerment, hate speech against a protected group, spam and scams. None of these. Choose the most appropriate reason. For example, choose hate speech. After selecting the reason, a form will appear for you to fill out with more details about why you are reporting the channel. Fill out the form thoroughly to provide as much information as possible. Once you've completed the form, click Submit. Your report will be reviewed by a human moderator at YouTube. That's it. You've successfully reported a YouTube channel. If you need help with other YouTube features, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe with notifications. Comment down below what type of video we should make next. Have a great day.